If you're a business owner in 2026 and you are not using AI yet, you are already behind. Right now, there are people using AI to create content faster, get more attention, and even make money online, while others are still struggling to post consistently. And the truth is, it is not about working harder anymore, it's about working smarter. So in this video, I'm going to show you 5 powerful AI tools every business owner should be using right now. Tools that can help you create content, save time, and grow your business faster. Make sure you watch this video to the end because the last 2 is a game changer. Before we dive in, my name is Abasiofon Emmanuel. I'm a brand strategist for business owners. I help you grow your brand using content, positioning, strategy, and AI. And if you want more practical videos like this, make sure you subscribe to this channel right away. Now let's get into it. Let me quickly say this, AI is not just for tech people, it's for business owners like you. Because right now, one of the biggest struggles is, what do I post? How do I create content? How do I stay consistent? AI solves all of that. Instead of spending hours thinking, AI helps you generate ideas, create visuals, and even automate content. Let me give you a simple example. A business owner who understands AI can create 1 week of content in 1 day, while another person is still struggling to post once a week. That's the difference. Now let's talk about the tools. Let's be honest, most people who are not consistent online are not inconsistent because they are lazy, but because they don't know what to post. And this is where ChatGPT comes in. This tool helps you generate content ideas, write captions, create scripts, and even structure your posts. Let me show you something quickly. So this is ChatGPT. I want to show you how you can quickly use it to generate content ideas in seconds. So I'm going to paste a prompt here. Give me 5 content ideas for a small business that sells perfume. So I'm going to send this right away. So look at the ideas that it has given to us. Amazing, 5 simple ideas that it has given to us. So if you're somebody who sells perfume, you have content ideas already, you are good to go. Let me give you another example. So I'm going to paste another prompt here and tell ChatGPT to help me with it. Turn this into a Facebook post, why quality utensils are worth the price. So I'm going to send this. So I'm going to see what ChatGPT gives to us. So ChatGPT has turned this into a post for us. So all you have to do is copy it and tweak things where you need to tweak things, and you are good to go. Now I want you to imagine this. Instead of you staring at your phone for 30 minutes thinking about what you should post today, just come to ChatGPT, type 1 sentence, and you are good to go. So let me give you some real life use cases. If you're a bag vendor, you can use to generate content ideas for your bag business. So instead of you thinking about what you should post today, you can generate ideas with ChatGPT. You can say 5 mistakes people make when buying bags, or how to maintain your leather bags. If you are somebody who sells food, you can do an educational content like why your food doesn't last long, or something like tips to keep your kitchen hygienic. So instead of you being stuck, you now have ideas anytime. This tool literally helps you remove that confusion that you have thinking about what to post. Now let me ask you, how many times have you wanted to post but you didn't have a good image? That's where Gemini comes in. This tool helps you create product images, design visuals, generate clean branded content. So this is Google Gemini. So I'm going to paste my prompt and let's see the result that it gives to us. So this is the prompt I've given to Gemini. Create a clean product image of a luxury bag with soft lighting and minimal background. So I'm going to send this. So I'm going to wait for it to generate our image. It has generated our image for us. Look at it. See how beautiful this is. It's so realistic. Honestly, so realistic. So you can easily download this and use it for your content. So I'm going to create another image. So let's try this prompt. So this is it. Create a realistic plate of fried rice styled like a food advertisement. So we're going to send it and see what it generates for us. So Gemini has generated this our image for us. Look at what we have here. Wow, this is amazing. Wow, this is so good. So you can use particular to generate images for your content. Look at it, so realistic. All you have to do is prompt it. So you can easily download by clicking on this place and you can use it for your posts. The image has been downloaded to our device. So just look at the 2 images we generated. This bag, look at it. Look at the bag. See, so realistic. Look at what we've generated with Gemini. So realistic. So all you have to do, like I said, you just have to prompt it and you get your results. Let me tell you something simple. Good visuals is equal to attention. If your content doesn't look good, people will scroll past it. So let me give you some real life use case. For a bag vendor, you can create product display with this particular tool. If you're a food vendor, you can create attractive food visuals for your business. And if you're into skincare, you can create branded images for your business without hiring a designer. So instead of you waiting for a designer, you can create visuals anytime. Right now, the fastest way to grow online is videos. But most people don't create videos because they don't know how to, or they think it's hard. This is where Grok comes in. This tool helps you animate images, create videos, turn pictures into engaging content. So this is Grok. If I want to create my image, all I have to do is type in what I want to create in this space. So these are things I've created with this particular platform. Look at it, this particular videos. I created all of these. All these were static images and I animated them and they are now videos. So let me just click on one or two so you see how it looks like. So you see how it has moved from being a static image to this. Let me show you another one. So this is an event. Look at it, from being a static image to this. So this is a birthday cake, from being a static image to this. So this is a bag, from a static image to this. So Grok allows you to animate your image, turn your static image to videos, and you can start posting them on your social media platform. So if you haven't seen how to animate these images, check out my previous video, the link is in the description. So instead of just posting pictures, you can turn your product into a video. And we all know that video performs better than static images. So for instance, you're a bag vendor, you can create a rotating product video. For a food vendor, you can have spoon movement or food animation. For a creator, you can use it to create faceless videos. So even if you don't show your face, you can still grow using this. This is how people are building pages now. So let's talk about something real. Not everyone is confident on video, and that's where 11 Labs comes in. This tool helps you turn your text into voice, create voiceovers, and sound professional. So this is 11 Labs. So you can type your text where you have text to speech, then you click on generate to generate your voiceover. So you have different voice type you can actually choose from here. Whether you want it feminine or masculine, you have it here. So instead of you struggling with your voice or avoiding content completely, you can still generate videos. So if you handle cleaning services, you can use 11 Lab to generate educational content where you can share cleaning tips. For an event planner, you can use the voiceover for narration or how you plan an event or how an event went. So if you're a business owner, you can use 11 Lab for product explanation. So even if you don't like your voice, you still have no excuse. So before I share the next two, make sure that you've liked this video, you subscribe to this channel, and you've also turned on the notification bell so you can get notified when I drop amazing tutorials like this. So right now, let's continue. Let me tell you something powerful. Some of your best content ideas come when you are working, when you are thinking, or when you are talking. But you know what? You forget them. That is where Otter AI comes in. This tool helps you convert your voice to text. It captures ideas instantly. It turns your thoughts into content. So this is the interface of Otter AI. All you have to do when you sign up, you just click on this place and you can start recording. Okay? So you can go to Play Store or your App Store to download Otter AI and start using it. So when you record, you find them on this place where you have notes. Okay, you have them here where you have notes, so you can just click on them and get to access them. So you can record your ideas, you can turn your voice into captions, and you can plan your content faster with Otter AI. So most people think they have a consistency problem, but the real issue is losing ideas. So you can generate ideas with ChatGPT, generate your images with Gemini, animate these images using Grok, do your voiceovers with 11 Labs, express your thoughts with Otter AI. All these are complete content system for you, so you have no excuse for not showing up online. Simple and easy methods. All these AI tools have done the heavy lifting for you. All you have to do is use them, and this is exactly what I teach inside my AI community, where you learn how to use these and other tools, how to create faceless content, and how to monetize it. Join us using the link in the description. One thing I want you to know: don't try to use all these tools at once. Pick one and start using it today. If you found this helpful, I have dropped a free AI prompt in the description. You can copy and start using it immediately. And if you want my 50 content ideas kit and a clear content system, check the link in the description. I am Abasi and I care about how your brand is perceived. I'll see you in the next video.